Hi, hello, welcome to our channel Royal Architecture. Today I am going to show you one of our recently handover 19-year-old home renovation project which is located in Hongasandra Bangalore. I am Amrut Kumar. We Royal Architecture are specialized in old home renovations in Bangalore and Hyderabad. Before we begin, let's take a quick look at how the house looked before the renovation and also how we helped our client visualize the transformation using the 3D views and walkthroughs. We custom designed a TV unit. There was a window here. Now it has been smartly closed to create an elegant TV unit. Also, we have integrated a robotic cleaning point for futuristic convenience in mind. Storage was a big challenge. To solve it without making the space bulky, we utilized the area below the staircase. Creating sleek storage that blends seamlessly with the interiors. Lighting and decor played a key role too. Near the main entrance, we designed a stylish wall panel with a wallpaper backdrop, adding elegance the moment you walk in. For the ceiling, instead of typical false ceilings, we installed profile lights, cylinder lights for primary illumination, and track lights above the main door. The result? A smart, modern and luxurious vibe. The second major focus was the kitchen and the dining space. Our client wanted a sleek modern kitchen with the updated accessories. So we designed a tall unit for the microwave and the OTG. The highlight here is the Gola profile kitchen design with the profile lighting. The dishwasher is another essential appliance in the kitchen, and our client wants a dishwasher inside the kitchen, so we have made that arrangement. Moving to the dining area, it lacked structure and flow, so we completely reorganized the entire layout and also added a crockery unit for better functionality and style. We upgraded the hand wash unit to suit the modern trends. We also created a dedicated space for the washing machine to ensure maximum utility without compromising design. This was the story of our 19 years old home renovation project in Hongasandra Bangalore. For more videos on old home renovation, structural renovation, bathroom renovation and interior design, please call us today. Thank you.